I want to rush out to go and get some groceries from Marikiti. Now I need to look for a very good recipe for this because I cannot wait. So here it is. Let's blend this quickly. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ndunde. If you're new here, karibu sana, and if you are a returning one, karibu sana. So I'm headed out to Marikiti, which is why I look how I look. Nothing on my face, yeah, nothing to my ears, just a ring, no bracelets, no watch, but I'm gonna carry them in my bag to wear them later on in town. It's currently 8 something and I have a heap load of clothes that I need to put inside the wardrobe. These ones I'll do later, but in the meantime I want to rush out to go and get some groceries from Marikiti. That is the reason actually why I look how I look. And yeah, I don't want to go there looking ni kama sijui mtu uptown ndio nigongwe bei proper. So yeah, that's how I'm gonna go looking. So yeah, I'm gonna show you when I come back. I do not have onions, I do not have potatoes, nyanyas. What else? I need spinach because the person that I got from last time didn't have, or the place where I usually get my spinach, it's from a school, but now that schools have opened, they do not have spinach to sell, but they are a lot usually. So when they close, I'm gonna be back, but that's where I get my milk from as well. Iko Katani Road. So yesterday I went and they didn't have. Yesterday was Sunday, so today is on Monday. So I'm rushing there quickly, and I have a lot of things to do today as well. And I don't know guys, I could put you up to this. It's Vaseline-ish, but it's from Ivory Coast, so they are not sold here in Kenya. It smells heavenly. I do have 3 of them. Will I find them here? One of them. No, the other one is with my daughters. Oops. The other one is with my daughters. So this is the other one. It's a whitish one. This one has pure shea butter and coconut oil, and this other one pure shea butter, carrot and coconut oil. They smell so heavenly. The other one is pinkish in color. I don't know what they've put inside that one. Let me go and try to find it and tell you. But yeah, in the meantime I want to head out. I only need to wear what are they called? I only need to wear shoes, and that's it, and then I'll be off to go and get what I need to get in Marikiti. I was there when 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks ago. So yeah, let me rush out, and yeah, I'm gonna see you later to come and show you what I got and the prices, because I'm pretty sure the prices will be so high, not like last time. The last time I bought warus, I've had the warus that I bought I think in January or thereabout, January or December, I don't remember. So I do not have any potatoes in the house. And then onions, I did get onions about 2 months ago, but they are finished, but that's because he gave me the biggest size, and for that they're not a lot as the medium size. I like the medium mixed with the big one, because the medium one I can use one, but now if I cut an onion, the big onion, I can't just leave it in the fridge. I'm outside there because of it's, from what I heard, onions do absorb the energies and it's not good to use. It's usually poisonous if you cut it into a half and put it somewhere, so I have to use the entire onion throughout. Ndio maana imeisha haraka. So yeah, cheers guys, bye. So guys, this is the other one. It's made of pure shea butter whatever that is, monoi and coconut oil, but this is the best one of all. So good, so good. What's up guys? So I'm back home after a very long day. I also had a change of clothes. I had worn this inside in the morning and a sweater-ish, that top of mine that I had in the morning, I had that one on top because I was going to Marikiti, but as soon as I left Marikiti, I wore this one on top now. That's the reason. Guys, the lighting is so bad. I think but I do want to finish the filming this video today. So let me show you everything that I've gotten from Marikiti today. Things were pretty expensive. I think it's the normal way of life nowadays. So I got 20 kgs of onions. Let me just remove and show you. Why can't I be using this setting? I think this is a setting that I'm going to be using every now and then because it makes me look very, very bright. Guy, my daughter is so noisy right now. Anyway, let me just show you everything that I got. And this video is going to be everywhere, like all over the place because I'm tired. But yeah, let me just show you quickly. Let me unbox this with you. So to start with, let me just show you these ones because they need to be washed. These are 5 kgs of tomatoes that were going for 350. Today a kg was going for 70 bob. So we have this. Now hizi nyanya ni kubwa, they are so huge. You can actually use just two to make your stew because they are big enough. So next up I got carrots. These carrots were going for, kuna hiyo kasuku ya I think 2 kgs. 2 kgs? Yeah, it was going for 250. I got it for 200 bob. Na zote zinatoshana kitu kama hii. Almost all of them. Hai, niko na gunia ndani ya gunia nyingine. So here are the onions. These onions were 1700. And then these are potatoes. I'll get back potatoes. I finish up with here. So I got these French beans. These French beans, mishiri, which were going for 60 bob. This is what in the 60 bob. They were a kg. And then I have the hohos. Oh, usually they give you these papers when they are measuring like kgs. So I have so many papers which I'll have to throw away. These are hohos. 1 kg was 60 bob. I only got 1 kg because I realized these ones get spoiled quickly. So I would rather be getting a kg every now and then. Juices zinaweza nipeleka almost 2 weeks. So I can go back after 2 weeks. That's the reason why I got a kg only. And then for the first time ever, I have never gotten okras. This is the okra. I have never cooked this, so it will be my first time cooking. So I actually don't know what I'm going to make exactly, but at least I'll know how these ones taste like. I have been seeing so many recipes online, especially on YouTube, with this was a kg, it was 100 bob. So yeah, I have these 2 lettuce, lettuce, you can call them however you want. So here is one. It's pretty huge. It's almost the size of a cabbage, but it's not a cabbage. I got 2. Each was going for 40 bob, and they are very, very fresh. Very fresh. So we have that. And then I got these oranges. These are so many oranges that were going for 200 bob. Now I don't know if they were 3 for 20 or 325, but this whole bag has oranges that were going for 200 bob. And this is the size that you actually buy 5 at 100. So this is good. I get to save a lot. Yeah. Now the reason why I have to place these ones here, it's so that I don't want to see them here on the rack kama hazijaoshwa. So they need to be washed, cleaned thoroughly, and then place them kwa rack, zingine kwa fridge. Because if I put them here on the rack, everyone will forget and wengine watatumia kama hazijaoshwa. Hatutaki magonjwa kwa nyumba. And then here I have spinach, like this whole bunch. It's a huge bunch. Was going for 50 bob. I wanted zania mbili because we are suckers of spinach. We eat spinach a lot. So nikapata amebakisha tu tatu. I didn't want to get from someone else. I like getting used to just one person. Huyo ndiye mtu mwenye nitaishi kununulia, sort of. So Marikiti, okay? It's a very huge place. So I have 3 bunches of this, which tunaweza pika mara kama 4-5. So spinach with cream, perfect. If you haven't tried, you should try. And then nowadays I do carry my own bags because I get to save about 100 bob or 50 bob, because I can't keep on buying these bags every now and then. Zimejazana hapa kwa balcony. I have so many of them, but I do take them when I'm traveling. Nazipeleka zote ushago. They can be used huko, not because it ushago napeleka business to me, but because they use papers a lot, misplace, kupatiana vitu kama hizo. And my mom also sells vitu kama rice, so if I give her these gunias, you see they'll come in handy. Ama nikitoka huko na beba mbosho, mahindi, peleka unga ikasiagwe, vitu kama hizo. You get what I mean. So now let me show you the warus that I got to buy. It's a whole ndoo, and the ndoo was going for, yeah, ndio hiyo ndoo. Ndoo ilikuwa 1000 bob. I'm not even kidding. In ndoo juzi too, I used to buy it for 550, 450, a whole ndoo. Nowadays, same na hizo. Those ones, the last time I had gotten, they were going for 550 or 500. Yeah, imagine that. Right now that is 1800, and this 1000 bob today. And then nikapata mahali wanauza hizi apples na mbao. I want to make juice with this. I bought 5, and then kuna avocados hapa and lemons. Where are lemons? Auntie blended them. Okay, I think auntie juiced them. So here I have avocados. This is zimetoka ushago. All of this. Hizi zote nilipewa jana from my mom, from my dad. I got them from my sister's place. So yeah, hizo zote zimetoka ushago. I didn't buy this. And then tomorrow I'll be receiving cabbages, which is why also I didn't get cabbages. But yeah, that's my groceries haul, guys. Hizo zingine hapo. Now I need to look for a very good recipe for this, because I cannot wait. I can't wait. Yes. So this is good. This was good. Hii shopping yote. Okay, and then here I have milk. I need to put this in the freezer kabla iniharibike hapa. I also need to make yogurt with the same milk. So yeah, we got this today and then boiled today. So nahitaji kutengeneza yogurt and then place it in the freezer. Yep. So I want to make a salad just now. this is what I have right here, and this thing helps me really a lot in chopping up my salads. Anyway, I want to make a salad, and here I have onions, I have tomatoes, and I have a cucumber. So the next thing that I want to do is make my dressing, which I'll be using this olive oil. I want to make one that doesn't have eggs. So I'm just gonna have olive oil, some salt. Here's my salt. And a lemon. Here is my lemon juice. I did blend this today. My nanny did this for me because I had lemons that came from Bishago as well. And here I have my frozen coriander that I'm not gonna use too much of this. I'm thinking of adding a clove or two of garlic. Let me quickly do that. So I want to use this. Oh, it's not complete. I want to use this to blend. So here it is. Let's blend this quickly. So here is my salad. Let me try it out because it looks very yummy. So let me go sit down and have this. This is all I'm gonna have to eat today or tonight because I feel this will cater for 2 people. The rest in the house do not like when I put lettuce in the salads, so this will be mine and hubby's, and it's quite a lot. So there you have it, guys. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Hopefully you give this one a thumbs up, share, comment, like, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to watch everything that comes with the package of Ndunde. So yeah, guys, good night. I'm gonna see you in my next one. Cheers. Bye.